everyone. Today's QCA topic is describe something that was broken in your home and then repaired. You should say what it is, how it was broken, how you got it repaired, and how you felt about it. And the sample answer is these days it is a trend to buy new products when the older ones do not function in order. Recently, my family got a new latest technology juicer, but my mother forbade me to use it. But when she went out on an evening walk, I sneaked into the kitchen for mango juice. However, I was a new learner, so I peeled the mango and directly put it into juice with the seed. As soon as I turned on the juicer, the lid suddenly blew off and all the juice spilled all over the place, and the juicer stopped working. I got scared and asked my brother for help. When he arrived in the kitchen, he cleaned everything and tried to fix it with the help of YouTube. But all his efforts went in vain, so when my mother came back home, she scolded me and called the company as there was warranty along with the juicer. Luckily, the company cooperated with us, and the next day a worker came to our home to fix it. All in all, this was a time when, due to my carelessness, I broke the juicer but saved my day due to the company's good services. Thank you.